growth and regional integration. To begin, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, as a warmest welcome, we would like to present you a traditional dance performance that will be performed by the Bihali group from Suwai municipality, and the dance called Likurai.
Excelências, não distintos convidados do seu voto, atualigo kita di hadapan Sang Mani Tidak Ohi, Tuirmai, Wehale Grupo Cultural, se apresenta para kita. Dança tradicional, com minha tema Suai, Tebe Likurai, Husi, município Suai, Covalima. Excelências, não distintos convidados do seu voto, Itabasimu Habutu, Grupo Cultural, Wehale.
Another big round of applause, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, to Wehali. So this traditional dance performance, Likurai dance from Software Covalima, representing the joyful welcoming of guests, celebrating friendship, unity, and spirit of Timor-Leste.
Excelências, na honra dos distintos convidados a ser voto, firmai com respeito ao convida Sua Excelência, Ministro do Comércio e Indústria, Sr. Dili Pereira, a Corratoro, palavras das boas-vindas.
And now, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together and join me in welcoming His Excellency, the Ministry of Commerce and Industry of Timor-Leste, Mr. Dili Pereira.
Your Excellency, Acting Vice Prime Minister, Mr. Internasional Affairs, Mr. Francisco Guterres, Your Excellency, Deputy Minister of Industry of Indonesia, Mr. Faisal Riza, Your Excellency, Secretary of State for Commerce of Cambodia, Mr. Ricky Rich, Your Excellency, Vice Governor of NTT, Mr. Johannes Asadoma, Your Excellency, President of the Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Timor-Leste, Mr. Joseph Serrano, representative from Chamber of Commerce Indonesia, from NTT, and representative from Academy. They are partners, traders, and participating investors, distinguished Timorese entrepreneurs and producers, senior public officials, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, everyone. It is with great pleasure that we greet and welcome everyone who has come to participate in this long-awaited business forum, which we are holding as part of the Dili International Trade Expo 2025. This is a historic moment for our country. Your presence here at this event, business people, investors, and partners from the nation, it is vibrant testament to the potential for cooperation and growth that unites us. Today, on the second day of this expo, where we have transformed the Dili Convention Center into an epicenter of opportunity, we are promoting this forum not just an event on agenda. Above all, it is the realization of strategic vision for Timor-Leste, a vision that prioritizes global economic integration, the promotion of a robust private sector, and the creation of solid and mutually beneficial bridges with the world. Our young and dynamic country is undergoing a rapid process of affirmation in the regional and global economic landscape. Our recent accession to the World Trade Organization and the ongoing process of integration in ASEAN are fundamental steps we are taking to position ourselves as a reliable economic partner and attractive destination for investment. This Forum and Expo 2025 are crucial instruments in this strategy, which we have designed to make and brand products made in Timor-Leste, elevating them to regional and global market. Make it and brand. Here today, we want you to find more business opportunities. We want you to discover the potential of a country that's building its future with determination and ambition. We have unique natural resources, a privileged geostrategic location, the heart of Southeast Asia, and most importantly, resilient and humble. Our focus on the development of micro, small, and medium enterprise is central, as they are the engine of our economy and the backbone of our communities. We want the investment generated here to create shared value, promote knowledge transfer, and contribute decisively to improving the quality of life of the Timorese people. To the international entrepreneurs here today, we say, look at Timor-Leste with the eyes of those who see the future, from energy and minerals to tourism, agriculture, and manufacturing. These are a wide range of sectors ready to be explored in partnership. The memorandum of understanding already signed, and others that will emerge point out the way to increase and anticipate trade, and our tangible example for what can be achieved. To our valued Timorese entrepreneurs, we encourage you to seize this unique moment. Open your mind, present your product, share your ideas, and establish connection. This is the stage to learn, grow, and take companies to a new level of competitiveness. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, may this business forum to be an opportunity for networking, dialogue, and above all, the prospect of new business deals. May each meeting, each conversation, each handshake be a firm step forward toward a tomorrow of shared prosperity. The government of Timor-Leste, through the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, is here to support and facilitate this process. We are committed to continue to improve the business environment, simplifying procedures, and creating the necessary conditions for investment and trade to flourish and contribute to the diversification of our economy and the creation of secure and sustainable jobs. I conclude by wishing you all an extremely productive day of work and great achievement. Obrigado, Wayne. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, His Excellency, for your insightful messages.
Obrigado para Sua Excelência, Senhor Ministro, e a sua motivadora e nos inspirador para a boa e a dessa aqui da convite.
Now, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, with all the respect outlined, we invite to the podium the President of the Chamber of Commerce, the President of the Chamber of Commerce of Industry of Timor-Leste, Mr. Jorge Serrano, to deliver his remarks, and it will be in Portuguese. I would like to inform you that the English version will be delivered to your table in short minutes. Thank you.
Pelo maior respeito, uma convida ao Sr. Presidente da Câmara de Comércio e Indústria de Timor-Leste, Sr. Jorge Serrano, para breves palavras. A informa vai da bolsa de autocata, ou seja, a comissão organizadora municipal vai da bolsa, versão cópia e em inglês e em português, ou se breves palavras, Sr. Jorge Serrano. Obrigado.
Obrigado, Sua Excelência, Sr. Ministro do Interior e também Vice-Primeiro-Ministro de Exercício, Sr. Ministro do Comércio e Indústria, Sr. Senhores do Governo, Pensão normativa para o ativo governador NTT, para Johannes Assadoma, para a titularia na TTI, a Lacan, Dr. Carlos NTT, Paulo Guianto, senhores e senhores do governo aqui presentes, caros empresários, senhoras e senhores. É com grande honra e profundo sentir a responsabilidade que fala em nome da Câmara de Comércio e Indústria do Leste neste Dili Internasional Business Forum de 2025. Antes de mais, gostaria de agradecer de forma especial ao Governo de Timor-Leste, ao Ministério do Comércio e Indústria e a toda a equipa envolvida na organização deste evento. O vosso empenho, visão estratégica e compromisso com a promoção do empreendedorismo, da inovação e do desenvolvimento sustentável são fundamentos que tornam este fórum possível e verdadeiramente transformador para o nosso tecido econômico. Agradecemos ainda a cada instituição público-privada, aos representantes empresariais, aos investidores nacionais e internacionais, bem como aos parceiros de desenvolvimento que contribuíram para criar as condições de diálogo, cooperação e oportunidade que este encontro encerra. Este fórum representa mais do que uma simples convenção de negócios. É um espaço de encontro entre ideias, pessoas e projetos que juntos podem impulsionar o crescimento econômico, diversificar a pauta produtiva e criar empregos de qualidade para os timorenses. Ao unirmos empresas locais, regionais e internacionais, criamos uma plataforma de networking eficiente, fecho de negócios, partilha de know-how e estabelecimento de parcerias estratégicas que promovem a competitividade de Timor-Leste no panorama global. A CCTL sente-se responsável por facilitar o ecossistema de negócios, conectando empresários com oportunidades reais. Comprometemos-nos a facilitar encontros B2B, rodadas de investimento e visitas técnicas que acelerem o fecho de negócios, promover a transparência, a ética de negócios e a responsabilidade corporativa como pilares de confiança entre parceiros, apoiar desde a diagnóstico de mercado e a identificação de oportunidades sectoriais até ao acompanhamento pós-evento para maximizar o impacto dos contactos gerados. Os canais de contato com a CCT estão abertos no nosso secretariado e na nossa página do website. Reforçamos a importância de cultivar uma rede de contato sólida e responsável. Encerramos cada reunião com ações claras. Quem faz o que, prazos e métricas de acompanhamento para que cada ligação se converta em benefício concreto para as partes. Na CCPL, a nossa filosofia assenta em 4 princípios fundamentais: desenvolvimento sustentável, promover negócios que respeitam o meio ambiente, a inclusão social e a responsabilidade fiscal. Diversificação econômica, apoiar setores estratégicos com maior valor acrescentado e potencial de emprego local. Parcerias público-privadas, cooperação estreita entre o governo, o setor privado e as comunidades para melhorar a competitividade e a qualidade de serviços. Capital humano, investir no talento local, na formação contínua e na inovação para criar uma força de trabalho preparada para os desafios globais. Aspira-se a uma economia cada vez mais aberta, competitiva e resiliente, onde a inovação, a qualidade e a ética de negócios sejam os pilares de confiança entre todas as partes interessadas. Timor-Leste oferece um conjunto de oportunidades promissoras, fruto da sua localização estratégica, dos recursos naturais, do capital humano em evolução e do compromisso com reformas que criam um ambiente de negócio estável. Destacamos, a título ilustrativo, infraestrutura e construção, projetos de infraestrutura rodoviária, portuária, logística e educação com oportunidades de joint ventures e financiamento público-privado. Agroindústria e agroexportação, melhoria de cadeias de valor, processamento, certificações de qualidade e acesso a mercados regionalizados. Energia e transição energética, expansão de fontes renováveis, integração de soluções híbridas, eficiência energética e fornecimento sustentável. Turismo e serviços, desenvolvimento de produtos turísticos, hospitalidade, turismo cultural e serviços de apoio ao investimento. Transformação digital e inovação, serviços de tecnologia informática, cibersegurança, soluções de e-government, fintechs e plataformas digitais para negócios. Comércio e indústria local, programas de apoio à pequena e média indústria, acesso ao crédito, capacitação técnica e networking internacional. Comércio externo e facilitação de investimentos, medidas de simplificação de processos, incentivos a investidores e melhoria de mecanismos de garantia. Convidamos todos os participantes a explorar esta área com visão de longo prazo, procurando parcerias que não apenas gerem retorno financeiro, mas também contribuam para o desenvolvimento humano, a coesão social e a sustentabilidade ambiental. Retiramos o nosso compromisso com o sucesso deste fórum e com o progresso do Timor-Leste. Que este encontro seja fértil em diálogo, cooperação e compromissos concretos. que as relações que aqui se fortalecem se transformem em investimentos, empregos e prosperidade para o nosso povo e que possamos juntos construir um futuro mais próspero, ético e inclusivo para Timor-Leste. Muito obrigado. Prima Cassibanha. Thank you.
Another big round of applause, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, to the President Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Timor-Leste, Mr. Jorge Serrano.
Firmai com respeito à minha casa convida, Sua Excelência, Ministro do Interior, no primeiro Vice-PM e Ministro Coordenador dos Assuntos Econômicos em Exercício, Dr. Francisco Guterres, atuado discurso-chave para o povo de Santa Maria e também, ao mesmo tempo, lo que oficialmente Internet Business International Forum tinha recondado para o Excelência.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to His Excellency, Dr. Francisco Guterres, the Minister of Interior, as the 18th Deputy Prime Minister and Coordinating Minister for Economic Affairs of the Republic Democratic of Timor-Leste, to deliver his remarks and to officially launch this Dili International Business Forum 2021.
Thank you very much, President Barak. Excellency Minister of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Nino Pereira, Excellency Secretary of State of Minister of Commerce of Cambodia, Mr. Each, hopefully I can spell correctly the name, Deputy Governor of NTT, Indonesia, Excellency President of Timor-Leste Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Jose Serrano, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, and esteemed entrepreneurs, investors, national and international partners, ladies and gentlemen. It is with a great honor that I address you today at the opening of this prestigious business forum at the heart of Dili International Trade Expo 2025. Representing His Excellency the Deputy Prime Minister and Coordinating Minister for Economic Affairs and Minister of Tourism and Environment, Mr. Francisco Cabarilai, who, due to an international duty, is unable to attend the conference. We are gathered at this business forum not by chance but driven by a common goal, which is to identify the future Timor-Leste, which is a gateway to a promising and dynamic economy in the Asia-Pacific region. However, Timor-Leste is not only a land of breathtaking landscapes and rich in culture, but it is an archipelago of opportunities waiting to be discovered by the entrepreneurial spirit that each of you brings here today. We understand that the universal language of investment is built on two fundamental pillars: legal certainty and predictability. Thus, our message today is clear and unequivocal. Government of Timor-Leste, under the leadership of His Excellency Prime Minister Mambo Khairala Guzman, has made an unwavering commitment to creating a robust, transparent, and investment-friendly business environment. We're implementing profound legislative reforms, simplifying bureaucratic processes, and strengthening our institutions to ensure that the rules of the game are increasingly clear, fair, and stable. Ladies and gentlemen, Investing in Timor-Leste means investing with guarantee that contracts are honored, property rights are protected, and the democratic rule of law is sovereign. The predictability of your return is a direct result of this architecture of trust that we are building brick by brick every day. Today, we are talking about a young market eager for quality goods and services, which have an enormous potential in agriculture, tourism, fisheries, and renewable energy. This young market is privileged with a geostrategic location that is a natural gateway to a market of hundreds of millions of people in Asia. Besides, this young market is also a resilient market with hardworking people eager to learn and collaborate. Since the objective of this forum is to establish a concrete, solid, and mutually beneficial partnership, business to business, I would like to urge all the participants of this forum to engage in a frank dialogue in order to bring a mutual beneficial partnership. This forum is an opportunity for international investors to bring their capital, technologies, and know-how to invest through the national business people and entrepreneurs in this promising market. This combination will bring a partnership that not only brings productivity and access to global market, but to some extent understand the Timorese market and culture. Thus, for my fellow local entrepreneurs, I urge you to actively engage with international investors in order to create a beneficial partnership that brings benefit to our country, Timor-Leste. By doing so, I believe that through this forum, we can build bridges, we can turn ideas into reality that provide us sustainable economy that generate jobs, wealth, and shared value. May the days at the expo be filled with frank conversation, productive negotiation, and handshakes that see tomorrow. Timor-Leste believes in your potential, believe in the power of the private sector, and we believe in you. Our commitment is to be your most reliable partner on this journey. Trust Timor-Leste, take a chance on Timor-Leste, invest in Timor-Leste. The future is now. Good partnership to all, good business to all, and thank you very much. Obrigado.
Obrigado para Sua Excelência, Senhor Ministro, para a mensagem encorajadora. A me convida, Senhor Ministro, a poder mais declarar e convida a Sua Excelência, Senhor Ministro do Comércio e Indústria, acompanhe o Senhor Presidente da Câmara de Comércio e Indústria, a que acompanhe o Senhor Ministro, pode levar o tambor, significa oficialmente o que é uma business for a minha direção.
So, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, before we start, we will be witnessing together the official launch of Dili International Business Forum by His Excellency Dr. Francisco da Costa Guterres. As the Maxim First Deputy Prime Minister, accompanied by His Excellency the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and the President of the Chamber of Timor-Leste, Mr. Realiza, and with all the respect, we also would like to invite His Excellency the Secretary of State of Ministry of Commerce of the Kingdom of Cambodia,
Tak lupa kami juga mengundang yang mulia Bapak Wakil Gubernur NTT agar bisa mendampingi di atas. Terima kasih. Ketua Kadin Bapak Husi.
and from Realiza.
Ibu
Mr. Suhaili, the Director of Enterprise Development of Realiza, will join us on the stage to accompany His Excellency for the official launch of Dili International Business Forum 2025.
Kami sesura atau forum. 3, 2, 1.
Big round for His Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, the Dili International Festival 2025 has been launched by Your Excellencies, I guess, Advance.
Hoy oficialmente Dili International Forum Business para tinatimo ko ang ulo ng Lima Lokyo na ba ito? Dahil ito ba sa mga makasya sila ko?
Thank you so much, Your Excellencies.
Excellencies, please continue with the Forum family. Su Excelencia, kita hormati que parte do Forum Família lá. Senhor Ministro, kita hormati que a verdade do mensageiro Forum Família. Sim.
So, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, this remains then for the photo session. Wait, please, Novella. It's okay.
Obrigado, Vaga. Dari frente basta di memakas by Excelência Kira, foto família no Internasional Obrigado.
Thank you so much, Your Excellencies. Once again, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the Dili International Business Forum 2025 has officially launched. So, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, before we proceed to our next agenda, once again, we'd like to take some pause for a coffee break. Again, we will prepare some refreshment. You may take it and bring it to your table, while we'll be serving you with some performances, fashion show by Nacho and the chorus.
Antes de continuar a minha programa sampai dengan sangat kita dengan respeito ang nakaraan at convida Excelências somos distintos convidados sa voto at bagaimana ketika tema na sua rumah acompanham o fashion show de magmayo si designer Timor Nacho Page.
Once again, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we take some pause for a coffee break. While we will be presenting to you a fashion show by Fernando Savio and his beautiful models.
Atuali po ita di coffee break dari Sankt kita bohin ang nakara kubili ka bosa boto atu basisti itania fashion show nebe magmayo si itania designer Timor Fernando Savio, kamu ko yang kolega sebut nanti makapresenta ko na para modelo tayo modenya kombinasyon ko roupa nasional mo international.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we have prepared 2 tables, one on your left side, one is on your right side. When we're having a coffee break, we will be serving you some fashion show performances by one of Timorese designer Governo feed the beautiful models. They will be presenting Timorese traditional textile ties that have been upgraded to be used globally or internationally.
Internasional Habatuk Fashion Show. Husi Fernando Sabio.
Another big one of our collections, ladies and gentlemen, for the Holy Legacy of Timor.